Here's Bryce right here.
How's it going, buddy?
There you go. And he's about to get in the Lamborghini. Go ahead and rev it up.
I'm actually about to cry. This is so cool. Red handle down the lights. Go for it. Wow.
What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing?
It's a dream come true, dude.
Dream come true.
Mental.
That's awesome, man. That's what we're out here doing. All right, guys, just left the car show. Now we're out here in East Texas to build a really nice bonfire. It'll be happening in a couple weeks. Here's a sneak peek of what the bonfire is gonna look like. Just kidding. Daggone. Graham got the fancy gate and all. Here we go. So festive. All right, it's me and the fellas. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
I'm Dave.
Dave, Graham, both in medical school right now. You wouldn't expect these guys to be in medical school, but they are, or at least I was surprised knowing that.
Play hard.
Work
hard, play hard.
Yeah, no, I like that. And when they see the bonfire, this is the work behind it. So we're excited to bring that to y'all. Very nice. About to get some work on.
Yeah, he's just gonna hop on here and drive a little bit.
Who is?
You are, sir.
Oh. I'm doing it, guys!
I'm a man! I'm 40!
You're good. You're good. You're good. Perfect.
He makes the track sense.
Yeah. Doctor, singer, and a working man. But this fire is going to be awesome. Look at that. That's huge. Say, this is already the biggest bonfire I've ever been a part of. I haven't really gone to any. It's kind of why I'm out here, but it's going to be lit. That's what I was trying to say.
Like horse crap.
What did he say?
It's basically just like twigs and fiber and stuff. It's like, it's not like the cow crap that's like all like disgusting. Like this is just like, it's basically just twigs in a little ball.
Well, I'm just going to tell you, crap is crap, all right? I'm not touching that.
Boys, make sure it.
Agreed? Agreed. Awesome. Thank you so much. Finished up, messing with the bonfire, had to stop. You already know what's up. Wouldn't that have been awful if that would have just dropped in my lap right then?
2 weeks later.
What's up, y'all?
My guy's already on the tractor. He's all about the business. Right now, we're dumping off a couple hay bales around the bonfire. Can you go ahead and tell us what that's about?
I mean, people are gonna bring their trucks out and stuff, but it'd be great to have some hay bales for people to sit on because they're pretty comfortable actually. And
Oh,
yeah,
might have to sit on a hay bale tonight. She thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on. Oh, hey,
I broke the water.
what does that mean?
Oh.
Can we shut it off somewhere? Okay, so as y'all saw, had a little bit of issues with the water. I just went to Lowe's and grabbed the parts, but anyways, got it fixed. Can I hear that again? Someone say flaming arrow?
Oh yeah, flaming arrow.
Yeah, I'm not doing gas, dude. I ain't stupid. Why not? Gas is too explosive.
So it's diesel, you said?
Yeah, diesel likes to burn nice and slow, and it doesn't blow up in your face.
That's nice.
You know? All right, I'm gonna throw a little bit of gas in there and help it get going.
Okay. This is gas right here. Cool.
All right, light it up. You got one? Okay, hold up. All right, throw it down in there. Before I threw that gas, throw it down in there. There we go.
Oh. All right, Graham, we just lit the fire. What do you think?
Let's go. It's good, dude.
Hang on, is this Dave over here?
Yeah, this is Dave.
Dude, what's up?
What's up, man?
Dude,
It's good to see you.
gotta get this video.
It's a good fire we
We
built.
put the work into that. Oh my Lord. It's so hot. It's not even registering on my. There it goes. Well, Dave, what do you think?
Sunblock, man. It's,
Some sunblock.
fan of,
My gosh.
yeah.
Is this your first bonfire?
It is my first.
It's
bonfire.
definitely my first bonfire as well.
Turning in my bonfire virginity right now.
That's it. We just lit it up in flames. Have you heard it called a pasture party before instead of a bonfire?
No, I have not.
Okay, I've heard a couple people tell me, oh, it's a pasture party. Like, that looks like a bonfire to me. The bonfire was a heck of a time. Always nice to get out and go see my people out in East Texas. Hopefully I get to go back and do it again sometime soon. Let me know what you think about the video. We'll see you next time. This is Life of Mike.